Good morning to everyone present here, respected teachers and my dear students. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, as we celebrate the 80th Independence Day of our nation, let us remember with gratitude the great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our country. As students and teachers, our responsibility is to contribute to the progress of India through discipline, honesty, education, hard work, and unity. Let us respect our country, respect one another, and always strive to make India proud. Let us remember a strong nation is built by responsible citizens. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Our tricolor flies so proud and high, a symbol of hope beneath the sky. With grateful heart, we stand today to celebrate our Independence Day.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am and Sir, teachers and everyone present here. Today we have gathered to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of our great nation, India.
Our Independence Day on this day, 15 August 1947, India finally broke free from the chains of the British rule. It was a monumental turning point that gave us a living in a free and democratic country.
On this special occasion, we remember and honor the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we could live in a free and independent country. Their courage, determination, and love for the nation still inspires us every day.
As citizens of this great nation, we must honor to be responsible, honest, hardworking in whatever we do.
As students, we can show our patriotism by studying sincerely, following rules, respecting others, and contributing positively to society. Let us all pledge to work together for a cleaner, stronger, and more prosperous India. Jai Hind. Thank you. अपना है दिन ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीन का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीन का परचम लहरा दो। हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, हाथ धर के बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, जा लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, जा लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, हिम्मते मर्दा अगर हो संग खुदा भी होता है, जा जमाने को दिखा क्या कुछ में दम क्या होता है, लहरा दो, परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो। मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून बहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Today we celebrate freedom, but freedom did not come easily. It came through sacrifices, courage, and unity. As a student of free nation, what does Independence Day means to us? Let's find out. Friends, tomorrow is the Independence Day and we still have so much work left.
Why so much tension? The flag is not going anywhere.
But our program is, if we don't prepare, tomorrow's celebration will be a disaster.
I have already practiced my speech 10 times.
That's because you forget 9 times.
Very funny.
Guys, independence is not just about speeches and operations.
So what is it about? Free holidays and sweets?
No, it's about remembering the sacrifices of freedom fighters.
Imagine like if people like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh hadn't fought for our freedom.
We would not be sitting here and complaining about the homework.
Exactly. Freedom gives us rights and also gives us responsibility.
Like keeping our country clean.
Yes, and respecting others, helping people and being honest citizens.
So you are saying that Independence Day is not just one day.
Right, it's about living responsibly every day.
Oh no, the sound system for tomorrow isn't working. What? Then how will it's international anthem?
This is a national emergency.
Should we call the army?
Calm down, comedian.
Instead of panicking, let's work together.
I think I can fix it. If someone helps me.
I mean,
Done, it's working now. See, that's what teamwork looks like.
Like our freedom fighters work together and despite their differences.
Different people, one goal, India's freedom.
And today, our goal is to make India better.
by studying hard.
By helping others. By using technology wisely. By respecting others.
And by not leaving all the work to Hayat.
Thank you, Farhan. Finally, a wise statement. Independence is a gift.
A gift earned through sacrifice. A gift we must protect. A gift we must use wisely.
A gift that unites us.
And a gift that came with responsibilities.
Let us honor our freedom, but not only with words, but with our actions. Yeah.
Need you.